Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at XRP here again, and as we can see, looking like it's having a very nice run over the past few days. We can see it's cleanly starting to break out of some of these key levels of resistance, isn't it? After such a long time under the cosh, you can obviously see there's a bear market resistance here, which finally got broken out of basically at the start of the year, but then since then we've been retracing, slowly grinding to the downside here in a really, congested little, let's just say, stupid area of the chart, really. Very toxic kind of price action, really. Not much in the way of clean moves in either direction. A lot of chopping sideways, a lot of low time frame nonsense, you'd probably say, down in this area here. Really, we were just chopping up and down pretty much continually, not really getting any momentum in either direction, just slowly trickling to the downside. And then as you can see on the daily here, we finally got a decent back test in this area. Bitcoin had a nice little move in this area, I think, as well, up to its resistance. And you can see XRP has followed suit here. A nice little 1, 2, 3 little move to the upside. Breakout, back test, continuation up to the top of that range that we were in before. You can see very clearly this range has been drawn in by us for such a long time now. Resistance and support. We came up here with the false breakout. We came back inside the range again. Came down to these lows here, retested again, and then as you can see, broke out that bear market resistance, come up to resistance of the range high. We broke out of this first range high here and then ran up to the second range high, as you can see quite clearly in this area, which also happens to coincide perfectly with that overall bear market resistance for XRP here that you can see there. Very clearly formed a resistance here from that previous high of the previous bull market there at around $2. Was it what, 194, 195? Then you can see here, obviously, came back up to this level here, got the rejection, and then since then not revisited this level at all until now, where we did see ourselves coming up pretty much touching that level, and now looking like we're essentially getting rejected in this area here, or at least coiling up underneath this resistance to see what happens next. XRP looking very strong at the minute, and you could easily see a continuation here if we did start to break out of that Fibonacci level. But as I said, the way that I'm trading this currently, basically just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next. But I do think probably a retracement back down to this previous Fibonacci level of the 0.23 would probably be fairly likely, sitting at around 45 cents there. Since we're getting stuck under this resistance here, you can see this area here, resistance at the range high, resistance at the previous swing low, resistance of the bear market, overall bear market resistance as well. You probably expect maybe a bit of a retracement down to this low again, where we could see a bouncing continuation looking something like this. So that's the way I'd be trading this, guys. Really not that much to say. A quick update on XRP today. As you can see, we are just under resistance right now, waiting to see what happens next. So as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below, and I'll see you in the next video.